So, here's the deal. Google reviews aren't just nice to have for the aesthetics. They're essential for any business to stay afloat. Why? Because 88% of consumers say online reviews impact their buying decisions. That means if you're not showing off your best reviews on your website, you're losing customers. Period. Google reviews build instant trust, boost conversions, and even help with SEO. But if they're stuck on Google instead of your website, they're not doing their job. The customizable widget approach. Okay, maybe you want more control over how your Google reviews look. Instead of just displaying them as they are, you want to tweak the design, adjust the colors, change the layout, maybe even choose which reviews get shown. That's where a Google review widget comes in. This method works for any website, not just WordPress, and gives you way more customization options. One of the easiest tools for this is Elfsight. Go to their website, find the Google Reviews widget, and click Create Widget. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. It's free to try. Once you're in, type in your business name, and it'll automatically pull in your Google reviews. Now comes the fun part, customization. You can switch between different layouts, like a grid, slider, or list, so it fits seamlessly into your website. You can also match the colors to your brand and even filter reviews so only the best ones show up. If you don't want to display anything below 4 stars, you can do that too. Once you've got everything looking the way you want, click Save, and Elfsight will generate an embed code for you. Adding this to your website is easy. Just copy the embed code, go to your website editor, whether it's WordPress, Wix, Shopify, or something else, and paste it into an HTML block on the page where you want your reviews to show up. Save your changes, refresh, and just like that, your customized Google reviews are live. This method is perfect if you want your reviews to look clean, professional, and fully branded instead of just using a basic feed. If this video helped, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple, no-nonsense guides like this one. And if you've got a favorite method for adding reviews, or you run into any issues, drop a comment below. I'll do my best to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.